Hey crew, welcome to Naples. I'm with my good friend Filippo right now. We're headed out to Procida, which is one of the lesser known islands off the Amalfi Coast. It was used in the film The Talented Mr. Ripley. But we might be going on a boat tour when we get there, which would be awesome. And if that doesn't work out, we'll just hang out, see the colorful buildings, and have a nice day.
Arrivederci!
Well, we made it. I took a little cat nap on the boat. Filippo took a picture of me with my mouth wide open. Sounds like we're still on the search for a boat tour, but I think it might work out. It's pretty. We are on a quest to find our first photo stop. That's it. If you search Procida on Instagram, there's basically only one picture that comes up, and we're trying to find that spot. Not this one. Next one. We'll find it. It's a small island. Or maybe it's up higher. You think it's here or up there? It's up there more, I think, because that church was in the picture, right? Yeah. This is pretty though, too. This is it. As you can tell by the crowd that's here. Are a little tight here. There was a sign back there that said don't park here, which is funny because the road is about the size of a car. You were right in saying this is kind of a one-horse town. It's pretty small. It's pretty though.
Yes.
And if we go on a boat ride, that'll be cool.
Yes, let's see if it is kind.
Yeah. You want to get something to eat?
Yeah, we should grab something
Not too heavy?
not too heavy.
Yeah. Let's do it. Just wrapping up lunch now, and the guy just wrote you said?
Yes, 2:30.
2:30.
Yes.
So we got 30 minutes to get there. Perfect. Going on a little boat ride. That'll be awesome. So we're supposed to meet the guy in front of these gas pumps in about 3 minutes. Nobody here. Hopefully he's on his way. Is Italian time different from American time?
It is. They're running a little behind.
Perfetto. Hi, nice to meet
Ciao.
you. My name is
Oh.
Elio. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Hi,
meet
nice
you.
to meet you. Elio, piacere Elio. Ragazzi, scusate per l'attesa, per fare questo gruppo è stato un po' complicato perché oggi io ho la guerra nel porto. Eravate prima alla Coricella?
Sì.
Là hai visto quante barche stanno arrivando? Abbiamo ormeggiato tutti, quindi un po' di casino. Perché oggi è domenica.
Stopped at a little swimming hole. Some of the kids are going to get off and swim for a little bit. They're giving them bread so they can feed the fish. He also said I could strip down to my underwear and swim in my underwear, but I think I'm going to spare you that.
Thank you so much.
Great. Well, that was super fun. But really, As long as you're with friends, it doesn't really matter where you are. You can have a good layover anywhere. Of course, being on the Amalfi Coast, that definitely helps. Hit the subscribe button. See you guys next week.